Yeah, it's nigga Dark Day Point that yeah, coming at you in Cincinnati, motherfucking Cleveland, Ohio, nigga. High as hell. Peep it out. I got my boy right here.
Royal, man.
My nigga Royal, man. He's about to spit something for y'all motherfuckers. Y'all need to listen to this shit. It's just real. Give me something, nigga.
Tribe of Judah pimping, that's how it's going down, man. Since don't nobody story tell no more in hip hop, man. And my nigga Nas say hip hop is dead, so I'm gonna resurrect it, man. I'm gonna blow life back into the game. Alright? So it's going like this. How can you still smile? How can you still laugh? I remember smiling at you when you gave our son a bath. I wanted him to know that you were more than just a piece of ass. I thought I had peace at last, but I guess you took revenge when your friend said I cheated in the past. Or was it my gangster love that drove my lady crazy? Did you love me or hate me? Cause I can't figure out why you gave away a girl, but baby. Or maybe it's because a couple rotten apples off my family tree said he didn't really look like me. But when his grandmother saw him, she said he looked like me. Damn, another ghetto tragedy. You knew I was hustling, trying to put some baby Jordans on his feet. And even though my children got two different mothers, my oldest daughter made me cry when she looked me in the eye and said, "Where's my brother?" Don't think I will ever recover. I can food in the cupboards. Why you have to be so selfish and stubborn? I guess I should have never took off the rubber. Sometimes I wonder when I stare at his baby pictures, does he miss us? When he hugs his fake stuffed animal that much cat tigger. I know he's somewhere getting bigger, no longer mumbling words. Now I'm struggling, depressed, blowing pounds of herb. I ain't gonna never stop searching the earth. For eternity I'm hurt, paying the ultimate price for dirt. I remember when he spit up on my polo shirt. So one day I'm gonna call a net worse and bursting the tears from pain. Hard to shake no matter how long it takes. So wicked late with your 18th birthday cake. Where's my son? My resurrection, my life, my legacy. My first begotten one, where's my son? All I wanted to do was raise my little soldier. Every time you would cry, I didn't hesitate to hold you. I was your personal chauffeur. I heard you giggle when I rode you around in your stroller. You wasn't supposed to end up in old foster home. An innocent child could never do no wrong. It's still hard to believe that you're really gone. I didn't know any lullabies, so I sung you rap songs. You belong with your daddy. I was gonna school you about getting money and how to ride a plushed out caddies. You were so happy when you saw your parents lovey-dovey, and you used to love to watch Teletubby. Why did they take you from me when they always made sure you had milk and huggies? Another beautiful situation turned ugly. Where's my son? My resurrection, my life, my legacy. My first begotten one, where's my son? How could a woman go through all that pain and labor? The most precious gift I gave her. Should have never tried to save her. But for my son, I wouldn't even sign the marriage papers. Now I'm a stranger to my own creation. Feeling total devastation. Thinking back, seeing my mother taking medication. Trying to support a family without an education. Now the same situation became my destiny. And it was sad to see that my father couldn't even change destiny. Because in 1983, the same shit happened to me. Where's my son?
Woo! That is that real shit, nigga. Hit him up. Where you from, nigga?
Hit me up, man. Cleveland, Ohio, man. 79th for life, man. It's going down like prostitute panties on a Friday night, man. You dig? That's how we is out here, man. Super turned up, man. You feel me? Turn up and turn out, man. That's how it's going down in Cleveland right now. You feel me? It's ugly, man. Tribe of Judah, though, man. We spit back, man. They know what we talking about.
Bow! That's real. Yeah.